What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Allegro account on your computer. So as you can see guys, I'm on my Windows PC. I'm currently using a Google Chrome browser. So all you need is an active internet connection, and just open up your browser and type in Allegro. Right? You don't even have to type in allegro.eu or whatever, just simple type in Allegro. I want to mention that if you type in Allegro in Google search and you go to, for example, the allegro.cz website, you will notice that the website is currently in Czech. And so in order to have this in English, you want to quickly just right click and translate to English. You would see, for example, like this. You can right click on your browser and translate to English. I have mine automatically set to translate any Czech website into English for me, as I'm a native English speaker, and so it is done so for me. Now, to create an account is super simple and super easy, especially if you have a Google account. As you can see, I've signed into Google account with my Google account in Google Chrome. And so whenever I go to any website, what's gonna happen is that it's gonna trigger the pop-up and ask me if I want to continue with my Google account. For me, this is super convenient, and all I have to do is just simply click and continue with my Google account there, and guess what, it's gonna quickly create an account for me. And as you can see, it was in Czech, not quickly translate. I just need to fill out a few details here to create an account. So it asks me if I'm under 18 or I am older, so I'm gonna choose that I'm older than that. Then I'm gonna just say make mark all consent here and just quickly create an account.